partly sunny skies. In Winston-Salem, the temperature... The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Johnson County in East Tennessee, southeastern Washington County in southwestern Virginia, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Mountain City, Damascus, Laurel Bloomery, and Kona Rock. Flood advisory in effect until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight.